Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the phone app, because this is the only verified way to change the calling screen on Redmi Note 12 Pro. Tap the phone icon now, then tap the three dots or hamburger menu at the top right to open settings. Make sure you have the photo or short video saved in gallery before continuing. If not, pause and save one. Once done, grant storage permission to the phone app when prompted so the app can access your chosen background. Next, find the incoming call background control inside Call Display or Call Settings. Scroll until you see Incoming Call Background or Calling Background. Tap it. You'll see options like Photo, Video, or Dynamic Style. Select the type you want. Tap Photo to pick a still from gallery or Video to choose a short clip. The preview shows how callers appear. Once you pick an asset, hit Apply or Save. Make sure the preview plays smoothly before moving on to final testing. Finally, apply the change and test it immediately. After pressing Apply or Save, close the phone app and either call yourself from a second device or ask someone to call. Observe the incoming screen behavior. If the background doesn't show, reopen settings and confirm the chosen asset, then clear the phone app cache and storage, restart the phone, and reapply. Also check phone app storage permissions and MIUI battery or privacy restrictions. Those commonly block custom call backgrounds if left disabled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.